In front of me is OPPO Reno 13F, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock section here. Then select face. Enter your current login method and hit add now. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!